Hi and welcome to Highlandboxes. Just a quick little video today, just with the draw for the giveaway that was back in December sometime. Sorry it took so long to get round to drawing for this, but this is it coming up now. So watch this little video and good luck everybody. Congratulations Phil. If you get in touch with me either via any of the links for the social media below, and I'll sort out the address and get that sent off to you. Sorry everybody else, but congratulations. And I want to say a big thank you to House of Resin for supporting this giveaway. They supplied the 2 blanks from Brian Blum and the Caster's Choice powders, and then I just put a couple of extra blanks into it. So thank you very much to House of Resin for the support there, and I hope you all have a great day everybody. Video was a bit late last week, it is coming up this coming week, so you should see it very soon. Until then, have a great time, be safe in your workshop.